Hello everyone, today I will show you how to draw a line in Google Docs. Open your Docs file, now select this insert option. Here you will find this drawing option, select and now select new option. And here you will find this line option. Now select this line option and draw a line. Now change your line border white and also change border color, it is red. Also you can choose line end and beginning. Says I'll choose this dot. Now again I will draw a line and change line color. Yeah. Now simply select save and close. Also here you can change this line area as you like. This is. Also you can edit this line. Again I'll delete this one. Now simply select save and close. Now you can increase decrease line size. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.